Hi guys, this is Saranya. In this video, we'll be seeing about subtractors. The aim is to study by design and construct half subtractor and full subtractor circuits and verify the truth table. The procedure is being given below. We have to give connection with the help of the circuit diagram and switch on the digital lab trainer kit. Inputs are given using the toggle switch and we have to observe the output and verify the truth table. Let's move on to half subtractor. Half subtractor is constructed using XOR and AND gate. Half subtractor has two inputs and two outputs. The outputs are difference and borrow and the inputs are A and B. The difference can be applied using XOR gate and borrow output can be implemented using AND gate and an inverter. Inverter is nothing but an NOT gate. So this is the circuit diagram for half subtractor. One XOR gate, one AND gate and one NOT gate. A and B are the inputs, borrow and difference are the outputs. Truth table is given here. A and B are inputs, borrow and difference are the outputs. If we give 0 and 0 in A, the output will be borrow will be 0, difference will be 0. Likewise, we'll be checking for the all inputs. Now let's move to the K-map for difference and borrow. We know we perform the K-map with the help of the truth table. For difference, let's see which inputs give output as 1. 0, 1 and 1, 0 gives output as 1 in difference. So let's take those inputs. Let's mark this as side A and this side as B. So 0, 1 gives output as 1 and 1, 0 gives output as 1. So the Boolean expression we get is difference is equal to A plus B. K-map for borrow is given here. So this side is A and this side is B. So for borrow, we get only one input which produces output as 1. So 0, 1 only gives output as 1. So the Boolean expression we get is borrow is equal to A slash B. So let's see the working of the half subtractor. We require two toggle switches, that is A and B, and one NOT gate, one XOR gate and one AND gate, and two output bulbs to check the output. And now we have to label them. Let's label them as this is as A and this as B and this is difference and the next one will be borrow. Now we have to give connections. A will be the one of the input for the XOR gate and B will be the another input for XOR gate and A will be connected to NOT. The output of NOT will be connected to AND gate and B will be the second input for the AND gate. So the output of XOR gate and AND gate will be connected to the bulb to check the outputs. So when A and B are 0, the output difference and borrow will be 0. When A is, let's just move them a bit aside. When A is 1, when B is 1, the difference and borrow will be 1. When A is 1 and B is 0, difference will be 1, borrow will be 0. When both A and B are 1, the output will be 0. Difference and borrow both will be 0. That's the working of half subtractor. Let's move on to full subtractor. Full subtractor is combination of XOR gate, AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. In full subtractor, that should have 3 inputs and 2 outputs. Two half subtractor put together to give a full subtractor. The first half subtractor will be C and AB. The output will be difference and borrow. The circuit diagram is given here. They use 2 XOR gates, no NOT gates, 2 AND gate and 1 OR gate. The inputs, the truth table is given here. Inputs are A, B and C. The outputs are borrow and difference. Let's move on to the K-map. The K-map for difference and K-map for borrow is given here. A is given in one side, B and C are grouped in one side. So to check for the difference, we require the truth table. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 111 give output as 1 in the difference. So let's take those input values and mark 1 in those places. And the Boolean expression we get is A plus B plus C. Let's move on to KMap for borrow. For borrow, 001, 010, 011 and 111 gives output as 1 in borrow. And let's mark those input values here and 1 in the corresponding places, and we'll just group them, and the output, that is Boolean expression we get, is borrow is equal to A slash B plus BC plus A slash C. And let's see the working of full subtractor. We require 3 input toggle switches, 2 XOR gates, 2 NOT gate and 1 OR gate. And we require 2 output bulbs. One is difference and another one will be borrow. And this is A, this is B, this is borrow 1 or C. These 3 are the inputs, and this is XOR gate, these 2 are the NOT gates, and these 2 are the AND gates, and this will be another XOR gate, and this will be OR gate. This is difference and this will be borrow. So we'll be giving connections now. XOR gate is connected with A, and A will be another input for NOT gate, and B will be the second input for this XOR gate. Likewise, we have to give connections to the all gates present here, and the output of XOR gate and OR gate will be connected to the bulbs to check the output. So now XOR gate's output is connected to borrow out, and XOR gate output is connected to the difference. When 3 are 0, A, B, C are 0, the difference and borrow will be 0. When A is 1, difference will be 1, borrow will be 0. When B is 1, difference and borrow will be 1. When A, B are 1, the difference will be 0 and borrow will be 0. When A, B, C are 1, the difference and borrow both will be 1. This is the working of full subtractor. And that's all for this video, and thank you.